I still remember sitting in my MBA marketing class back in 2007 with one thought looping in my head: I want to do something of my own someday. I had always been that curious kid, not necessarily the one who always stood first, but the one teachers called sharp, creative, and different. My family, though, had a very traditional dream: a government job, stability, a safe life. Everyone in my family was a government employee. It was almost like an unwritten rule. But somehow I knew I wasn't made for that world. I wanted to build something, not just fit into something. My academic journey was a mix of logic and love: a graduate in English and Sanskrit in 2005, a soul divided between Shakespeare and Kalidas. Then came my MBA in marketing 2007, a bridge between my love for stories and my curiosity for strategy. Marketing taught me that business isn't just about numbers, it's about emotion, storytelling, and connection. And English literature taught me how to express those emotions beautifully. That combination became the foundation of everything I have built later in life. But back then, I had no plan, no mentor, no business background. I just had a fire to start something of my own. So I began small, working in a startup in India. That experience was my first real classroom of entrepreneurship. I learned tricks, tools, and truths that no MBA ever teaches: how ideas evolve, how clients behave, how chaos feels. Then life brought a new chapter: marriage in 2013. And in 2015, I finally gave my dream its first name: Craft Sarah. My first brand, my first risk, my first me time as an entrepreneur. But just a year later, in 2016, I had to close Craft Sarah because we moved to Kuwait. It hurt honestly because it was my first baby. But I knew life had a bigger plan. Moving to Kuwait was a whole new world: new country, new people, new beginnings. Between settling in and becoming a mother of twins in 2017, my focus shifted. Yet, deep inside, that entrepreneurial spark never stopped burning. I started working again in Kuwait in marketing, my comfort zone. But even then, something kept pinching me: that sense that I wasn't building something of my own. The conflict between my dream and my duties grew stronger until I finally chose me. I decided to quit the job, take a pause, and rebuild my purpose from scratch. That's when MarviMe was born, an e commerce brand that became my comeback dream. Under Anganara Zone LLP in India and Anganara World FZE in the UAE, MarviMe is a one stop platform for handmade, handcrafted, ethnic, and organic products. The name comes from my heart. Marvimi means marvelous me. It's not just a brand, it's a reminder to feel fabulous, confident, and proud of yourself every single day. But as a marketing person, I couldn't stop there. I wanted to help others build their own brands the right way. That's how Digital Marvi came to life. The name again connects to MarviMe because marketing too is marvelous when done right. Digital Marvi isn't just an agency, it's a consultancy where I work one on one with clients, understand their vision, and create customized strategies for their business. It's not about throwing random posts on social media. It's about real strategy, consistency, and connection. Over time, I realized something. People were losing the real meaning of marketing. Everyone was posting, but few were planning. Everyone wanted results, but no one wanted strategy. That's when I created Knowletics, a learning platform where I teach digital marketing through my own recorded sessions. The name itself is a mix of knowledge plus analytics. Knowletics aims to build true marketers, professionals who understand both the art and science of marketing. Because I wanted to fix the gap between doing marketing and understanding marketing. And now, my newest baby, the podcast channel, Diligent Divas and Dudes D3, a space where I bring real entrepreneurs and hardworking professionals to share their stories, struggles, and success journeys. Diligent Divas and Dudes is more than a podcast. It's a movement to celebrate the doers, the people who dare to dream and build something from scratch. From reading Shakespeare and Kalidas in my college library to writing marketing strategies and mentoring entrepreneurs across India and the UAE. This journey wasn't easy, but it was mine. Every pause, every setback, every restart made me stronger. Today, when I look back, I don't see a straight road. I see a roller coaster that taught me how to fly. And trust me, I'm just getting started. Because success doesn't come from following trends, it comes from creating your own path, even if you are the first one to walk it. I am Anuradha Mishra, Marketing Wali Anu, a dreamer, a marketer, a mother, and a believer in possibilities. This is my journey from dreams to digital, from passion to purpose, from me to Marvimi. If you are someone dreaming to start something of your own, don't wait for the right time. Start where you are, with what you have, because the magic begins when you believe you can.